Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jem. So in today's video, I'll be filming a haul slash collab and PR kits from brands that I talked to recently. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first off, I'm going to show you guys this whitening kit. This is the White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System all-in-one. So basically, it's very self-explanatory because it's a whitening kit. It's for the teeth. And it comes with, actually tinanggal ko na yung sa loob, but it comes with this. It's activating light. And this is what you put when you apply, after you apply the whitening pen. And then it comes also with these connectors, these USB connectors para magamit mo rin siya sa ibang devices. And then when you pull it, underneath, it comes with this teeth shade guide. So you get to check your current shade of teeth, and then you get to check also the result after with the help of this guide. And then this one, this is the White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System manual. So everything's inside here, like what their brand is about and what's inside the box and the instructions. And then ito yung sa loob. So it comes with 3 whitening pens and then this desensitizing gel if you feel like your gums and teeth are very sensitive. So ito yung makapag-heal dun sa stingy feeling when you apply the pens. Next is a random purchase. It is actually a Tony Sia made me buy it. So this is from Lazada. This is what she raved about recently sa mga stories niya, yung tea shopping. Sobrang nabudol ako, but I'll be showing you guys also beside me how it is on. So I got the black one with the parang dirty white, yung may lining. And I like how it comes with the foam, parang bra pads. You don't really need to put the bra anymore, but you could also remove it on the side here. Pwede mong tanggalin. And then this one is the gray and black lining. Tapos this is how it is at the back. So it's very, hindi naman siya low, but saktong low lang. And then this is my favorite from her tea shopping recommendations. Actually, this is her own clothing line. Well, it's a collaboration with the Lazada clothing line or clothing shop. Pero I don't know the name, I forgot. Pero anyway, it's Body Love. It's called the Body Love. And this is in the color Wasabi. Matcha ako na matcha. This one, and it comes with this, yung matching shorts. Parang cycling shorts. And she said that it's recommended to be worn during light to moderate workouts or like lounge lang, pang lounge. Kasi originally, lounge set talaga siya. So yun, I'm very happy about this. And also this one, this is the buttercream shade. And then also pala, it has pads, so medyo makapal yung pads, and you can also remove it here sa loob. So yun, what I like about this is that sobrang stretchy niya. So it's good na she opt to have like a free sizing. So a lot of people can wear it. So moving on, another workout activewear thing that I got. It's from Hey Iconic on Instagram. It's a pink activewear. So set siya. This is the crop top na long sleeves. Tapos ito, it comes with a high-waisted leggings na pink din. And it has darker pink lines sa my knee area. And then it comes with this. May parang holes sa side. At first, kala ko design lang. Pero parang design din naman siya. Pero it serves also as like a breather area for the leggings. And then also this, consistent naman siya. Parang sa long sleeves din na crop. And then yun, I really like it. I like the fit. It's not that fit yung top, pero yung bottoms niya, sakto lang siya for my size. I'm typically like a small frame, pero medium built din ako, kahit petite ako. Kasi I'm just 5 flat, pero my body, it's not that proportionate. Like, medyo malaki yung tummy ko compared to how I really look. Dito, yung sa arms ko, it's very thin, and my face is also thin, but like my tummy is really big. So, nag-alangan nga ako sa size, pero okay naman siya. I'm a medium. And then, this is from Body Things PH. It's a snake print bodycon dress. I am a size large here. Yun, maliit yung sizing nila. Kaya I opted for a bigger size than the usual. It's very, very cute. Pang club. Pero, syempre, quarantine pa rin tayo. Hindi ko ito masusuot sa club this year. So, probably next year pa. Sad. But anyway, you can use my code, GEM10. You can use it to get 10% off when you buy something from Body Things PH on Instagram. Moving on, this one, I got this recently from Collab with Morning Clothing. So, it's Morning Clothing PH on Instagram. And this is the first outfit that I got from them. It's a tie-dye, pink and purple tie-dye set. It's actually a loungewear. It's one of my favorite loungewears today. As in, sobrang fave ko siya kasi the fabric is very, very stretchy. It's free size as well, which I love. And look, like, sobrang soft niya talaga. Like, parang siyang buttery soft. Ganun yung klaseng cotton yung ginamit nila for this loungewear set. Also this, cute. Actually, hindi naman to nagagamit yung tie kasi garter lang talaga yung naka-hold naman nito sa waist. And then, this is the second one that I got from their clothing line. It's a cowl neckline top. Hindi siya ganun ka-crop. Parang sakto lang siya dun sa belly button area ko. So yun, it's very, very cute. You can use pala my code, Morning Girl Jemina, to get 10% off upon checkout sa website nila. So you get to order these items directly from their website. And then yun, 10% off when you use Morning Girl Jemina. Moving on, ito naman, these are random rhinestone belts that I got from Shopee. Naka-plastic pa siya. I can move it a bit. Look, it's so sparkly and very, very nice. See, it's so nice. Tapos you get to adjust it also. It reminds me of Paris Hilton. It's 193 pesos. This one naman, this is the heart belt charm. Not really a belt, it's more of like a charm lang sa waist. So you get to put it on your belt area din sa pants or sa jeans. It's very, very cute. Again, it reminds me of Paris Hilton. This is just 86 pesos. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Super cute. This one, it's xoxo on IG. It's a set. They said this is loungewear / pang-workout din. Parang basically, parang similar siya dun sa use ng ni Tony Sia. Like, loungewear / pwedeng moderate, light to moderate workouts. So, ganun din yung use nitong set nito. And it's very, very cute. It's not a typical cycling shorts. Look at this. It has like ruffles on the sides. So cute. And it is high-waisted. So, it kind of hides my baldness sa tummy. And then, ito din. Super nice. Sakto lang din yung fit sa akin ito. The owner actually sent me these face masks. Sobrang cute yun. You get to put your filter inside. Cute. It's purple and like a cream beige taupey. Well, it's really more of like an apricot beige. So, thank you to the owner of xoxo. This is one of my favorite tops that I got from Curvy Studios. I collaborated with her brand and it's very, very cute. It's like a close to a sweetheart neckline but not really. It's more of like a bustier top with bows on the side. That is, she used, I think this is organza or organdy fabric. Or chiffon. I'm not sure. Oh my god, fashion student pa naman ako dati. Kalimutan ko na. But anyway, I just like it na. It's so simple but at the same time very, very cute. It makes me feel like I'm a doll when I wear this. Thank you to my friend Giselle from Curvy Studios. Also, I have a code pala. It's Curvy Studios Jemina10 to get a 10% off when you buy from their brand. So yeah, that's that. This one naman, this is from BNY Apparel on Instagram. They sent me this. It's so cute. This is the Angel Coco white crop shirt. It's so cute. And then this one naman is like their basic scallop detailed sando. So yun. And then this one naman, it's their loungewear shorts. Well, lounge shorts. Sobrang cute. It's again gartered to. You can use this to adjust. So yun. This is again from BNY Apparel. So Jem X BNY. That's the code that you can use upon checkout when you buy something from BNY Apparel. So, this one is by Blowkey Aesthetics on Instagram. But Louis is the name of the owner of this brand, and Louis is also my best friend. This is from Blowkey Aesthetic, and it's so cute because sobrang aesthetically pleasing talaga din ng tag ng shirts nila. Look at this. It says it's size thick with a CC. It's so cute. And then this is basically just the plain shirt that I am going to be tie-dyeing soon. I'm going to film also when I dye this. And then it comes with this DIY do-it-yourself dye kit. So it comes with the soda ash, 250 grams, lemon yellow, 5 grams, dragon fruit pink, 5 grams, turquoise blue, 5 grams, rubber bands, and gloves. Papakita ko sa inyo yung super cute na butterfly. Oh, it's so cute! I can stick this to the tie-dye shirt soon. And then this one, ang cute because it comes with instructions, like this is like their manual thing. And then this one naman, this is the soda ash that I'll be using first before I tie-dye it with the colors. Kasi mas kakapit yung colors with the soda ash. And then this one, ito yung bottle na pwede lagyan ng color or what when I'm going to dye it. This one naman, this is the PR kit that I got from Tokyo PH. Tokyo Philippines. I was one of their Katie Lady bosses. I love their products. Ito yung favorite ko, this one. It's the eyeliner. This is the Tokyo Super Sharp Liner in EX 2.0. And then this is the Tokyo Slim Create Powder. This is the Tokyo Color High Vision Rouge in EX 1. So basically, this one is a lipstick, obviously. So red, but at the same time, it's very, very moisturizing. Pero it looks matte on the lips, pero it's very moisturizing. And then this one, what I like about their Tokyo Super Sharp Liner is that it's very pigmented. Like, kahit super gaang lang yung pagka-swipe mo, oh, parang mayroon ng black ink agad. Yung ibang liners kasi, they don't really shed off much pigment, even if you just like swiped it super lightly on your hand. So yun, that's really, really nice. And this one, this is their Slim Create Powder. It comes with a highlighter and shiny bronzer, I think. Ang cute, ang ganda talaga. Super ganda yung products nila. The highlight is this, and then the brown one is obviously the bronzer. May sheen lang siya, very natural. I love it. What I'm wearing today is from Maria's collection. I got this from her Facebook sa marketplace. Pero meron din siyang Instagram. All the brands that I've mentioned in this video, I'll be linking everything down below para alam niyo kung saan bumili. So, ayun. This one, this is the back. Sobrang cute, diba? Look at the design. It says J. It's a Juicy Couture tracksuit, no? I love it. Thank you, Maria, to the owner. And this is from Little Things PH on Instagram. It's their butterfly necklace. It's a 2-layered butterfly necklace. Sobrang cute. It's gold and lilac. Ayan, sobrang cute. It just looks like a double choker, pero hindi. Parang 2-in-1 na siya, diba? It's so this one naman, it's from Studios on Instagram, and it comes with super cute scrunchie. It came with it. It's like parang partners silang dalawa. So thank you so much to my BFF Kyla. She is the CEO of this brand. She owns the brand, and she also makes this. And what I love about her brand is that she only uses like scraps and extra scraps, extra fabric that she doesn't use anymore. So yun, kudos to you, Kyla. I love it. I love you. Thank you so much for this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the bell button as well. Comment down below for suggestions, and see you in the next one. Bye!